You want to fill the screen entirely with colourful blocks like this? Well, how do you do it? PC or Mac? First thing you do, go over to Edit and Fill, and then go for foreground colour. Now, I've got a grey here, just a grey colour. Any grey colour will do. Click OK. So that's the foreground filled. Now, if I define that as a pattern, it will not work because it will create a 1x1 pixel pattern. However, you can get around that. Go to the rectangle tool and then go down to the foreground colour again. Click that and just change the brightness just subtly. Say 46. Doesn't matter which way, but just maybe one notch. Click OK. And then, now if I do a define pattern, it will define the entire design and I will get this shape. But if you want like a square, what you can do, simply go for nice rectangular marquee tool and hold down the shift and create a nice selection like that, which is perfectly reasonable. However, now with that rectangle, I'm just going to fill that with there and I'm just going to put it 1x1. Just very, very small dots so you can't see it. That's the key thing. You don't want anything that really stands out. So you've got that in there. Now what you can do, edit and define pattern. Click OK. So you remove that and then go to edit and fill and set the colour. So to pattern. We can do custom patterns. Now I've got a few other ones there. Just click that. That was the one I've just created. Go for script on and brick fill. Click OK. Now you see this design. Now that does not match the end result. It definitely doesn't. So what you can do, you can just change the scale. And again, that will not match either. Set the space into 0, offset 0, set the randomness to 1, and also set the brightness randomness to 1, and click OK. And you've got your nice square filled coloured design very quickly and easily in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Always adding new videos all the time. A like or dislike is always appreciated. Thank you much.